An Elkhorn father at ease after hearing from his daughter who's on tour in Japan.
And live in full 16:9 digital widescreen. Action 3 News starts with your first warning forecast.
The natural disaster hitting close to home tonight. An Elkhorn father is relieved his daughter, who's on tour in Japan, is okay. But now he's concerned about how this devastation could affect her health. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Paul Gutierrez speaks with the local doctor about potential health issues related to the tsunami.
Chuck Cochran can sleep a little better tonight, knowing his 21-year-old daughter, Rachel, is safe in Japan.
Yeah, definitely a sense of relief to find out that everything was still pretty stable where they were at.
With the phones out of service in Tokyo, the Cochran family went on Facebook to get updates from Rachel, who's touring with the entertainment group Young Americans.
I'm not a real active user. I'm maybe in there 2-3 times a week for just a little bit. But in this particular case, it worked out.
Cochran admits he's still a bit uneasy. He's worried radiation from the 2 nuclear power plants could harm his daughter.
Whether the fallout would happen to drift that way, that's probably the major concern right now.
Dr. Rudy Kotula with Methodist Physicians Clinic says exposure to radiation can be dangerous, depending on the amount released into the air.
Causing some diseases related to radiation, which is essentially, cancerous diseases.
In addition to radiation concerns, Dr. Kotula says the massive amounts of standing water in the country could lead to unsanitary health conditions.
You would probably have some, dyspepsia, some, loose stools and so on.
The Cochran family, thankful Rachel is happy and healthy. Now, the wait is on for her homecoming in April. Paul Gutierrez, KMTV Action 3 News.
Chuck Cochran says his daughter and the other performers are forced to sleep on the floor of a theater because all the hotel rooms in Japan are booked.
An Iowa man died.